You know what really drives rapid, profitable, sustainable growth? We were curious too, so we did some research. We surveyed 540 B2B professionals in key roles with over 10,000 years of experience, producing many types of B2B offerings in a broad range of company sizes. Our hypothesis was companies generate high-quality growth when they understand and meet customer needs better than others. So we tested 24 growth drivers, some that help companies understand needs, some to meet those needs, and some that do both. For each, we asked, how important is this for driving growth? And how satisfied are you with your company's performance today? Here, the drivers are color-coded by understand, meet, and both. As you move up, a driver is more important for growth. As you move to the right, companies are more satisfied. Companies have more incentive to improve drivers in the upper left. After all, the more dissatisfied you are with something important, the more you want to fix it, right? B2B professionals especially want to improve drivers to understand customer needs more than meet them. These professionals said the number one most important growth driver is delivering strong, differentiated value propositions. So we used their responses to divide companies into two categories: weak value providers and strong value providers. The left side of each bar is the average satisfaction score for weak value providers, and the right for strong. The biggest differences are at the top, with gaps decreasing downward. They all had a gap of at least 1 unit, so all 24 were valid growth drivers. But just 3 had gaps over 2 units. You can't pursue everything at once, so a good starting point might be front-end work, what you do before the product development stage, market concentration, focusing on key market segments, and customer interviews. There's much more to this research than I can cover in 2 minutes, so please take some time to understand these 24 growth drivers, and then focus your team on the ones that matter most. You can do this by downloading and distributing this free research report. And you can download this ebook to see all 30 of these videos in written form. If we can help, email us at info@theaiminstitute.com. We'd love to hear from you.